Controllers don't eat tofu. I don't want another work order. Then have Stevie do it. He's on Sodor too, amongst other things. Who isn't on Sodor?
There's one last thing I can do. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get a move on.
Percy will be here soon with your water injector. It's the last part you'll need to make enough steam.
I wonder if Sir Topham Hatt will have seen any pictures of me.
Of course he will. He will be very proud to have you as part of his railway.
I'm so happy. I have waited a long time.
Well done, hero!
Thank you, Thomas!
Then there was trouble.
Don't worry, hero! You can do it! Keep moving, hero! Thomas! You can do it, hero!
I can't do anything for this tub of junk.